Hi, and welcome to this month's DIY Saturday project. With school coming to an end, I wanted to make a special gift to hand out to the teachers. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this cute end-of-the-year teacher gift. For this project, you will need a pot holder, spatula, brownie mix, iron-on material, your design and cutting machine. Start by measuring the area on your pot holder to make sure that the image is large enough once cut. Using my cutting machine, I cut out the image and will remove the excess material. Once you have all of the excess material removed, you can iron on the design. Add your brownie mix and spatula and your gift is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.